Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Colin Coogan right here, Luke Geraty, and we are on Fall River. We're going to go catch some trout. Are you pumped or what?
So pumped. First day of the year.
How many fish are you going to catch?
I don't know, hopefully 100.
I'm going to catch 433. We'll talk to you soon.
How's it going, everyone? Colin Coogan here with Confluence Outfitters, just giving you a Fall River fishing report. Mid-May, we're starting to see fish starting to move down from upper in the river, just spread out. Good bug life going on, PMDs, blueing olives. We're able to catch them subsurface, intermediate lines, strike indicators, and we're even seeing topwater dry fly action. So now is our opportunity to get out on the river and kind of fish all tactics throughout the early morning into the mid-afternoon. I'm kind of expecting the fishing to only get better. Today we had a fabulous day and we were only out here for about a half a day. So if this is something that you're interested in doing, feel free, reach on out.